In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name and hosting for your website. Welcome back to Create Digitals. My name is Tim Fire, and this is another day of your website development masterclass. Why do you need to buy a paid domain for your website? Because you need an SSL certificate. And I am also going to show you the best platform, the best website for you to buy. Some of the best websites include Host, Namecheap, Hostinga, Truehost, and the rest of them. So I'm going to be showing you one of my best platform, and their domain name is actually, buying a domain name is very cheap in that website. So without long talk, one more thing I need you to know is that if you are building professional website, most browsers, if you are using a free domain name, most browsers are going to tell people that this your website is not safe because it does not have what, an SSL certificate. So you need a paid domain for a website that you need people to trust, or for a website you're building for clients and the rest of them. Another thing is that if you fail to buy a domain name, people are going to buy your domain. There are people that their job is to discover businesses that are doing very well, just as Create Digitals is doing very well. They will go and buy that domain name. They will go and buy createdigitals.com. Whenever we now come to buy our own domain name, they will tell us that it's no longer available, that somebody already bought it. And if we still want to use that name, all we have to do is to do what? Pay them to buy from them. And that was one thing that happened to Facebook, because when Mark was building Facebook, somebody already bought Facebook.com, and they paid about $2 billion just to buy something that you can buy for 2,000 naira. So you wouldn't want that to happen. That's another reason you need to buy your domain once you've started something tangible, because if you don't buy it, somebody will buy it, and once it's your time to buy it, they will now charge you higher to buy the same thing. So having done that, let's go straight into buying our domain name. All you have to do is go to your browser, then you type in truehost.com.ng. I'm going to drop the link in this video on your class and in the WhatsApp group. So once you type, it's going to take you to their website. This is how the interface is going to look like. There are many hosting companies like Host, Hostinga, Namecheap, and the rest of them, but I'm just using this one for now, and I've been using this hosting company for months now. It works well. So what you're going to do is you come here, click on this hamburger icon, it brings you here. You scroll up, you are seeing register here, so you're going to click on register because you don't have an account yet. Here now it's going to ask you to sign in with Google or every other distance. So I'm going to pause this video now and sign in with my Google account, or just enter every detail. Anyone you're seeing this asterisk, it means it is compulsory. You understand? So make sure you enter everything accordingly. I will still show you everything once I'm done registering. So I'm done filling the details. You are seeing here first name, last name, my email, phone number. Sorry about that, phone number. The next one becomes my city, my street address, where I am living, the company name. If you have company name, you add it. That's it. Your address. Remember, the second one is not needed, so that's why I left it optional. Your city, country, state, then postcode. If you don't know your postcode, just go to Chrome or anywhere and search for what is the postcode of. You will enter your area, maybe the name of your street or the popular area around there. Then they say, how did you find us? You can type here and choose anyone. Choose friend or web order search engine, or just choose friend or order, or possibly just choose order. Then they say marketing SMS. Do you want to be receiving advertisement message from them? If you want, you put it here, and if you want to, you can add your phone number here where they will be messaging you. That's optional, so I left it because I did not add my phone number. Even the second one I ticked is not useful. Then here they said 9 plus 2 is what? Is compulsory, so you need to answer it yourself. Then your currency, you can tick this button, tick this small button here. It will bring out the currency. You will choose your currency, the currency you want. Then your password should be strong, combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and signs. So make sure you combine your this thing until your password is fully strong. Then receive email from us. Yes, after that you are going to tick this I have read and agree with the terms and conditions. Once you click everything, you click on register. Once you're done with the registration, this is where it's going to take you. See your dashboard here, it's mobile ready here. You can get all of these things, but that's not what we are here for. We are here for what? To get our domain. So what you just do for me is to click on this hamburger icon at this place. Also, if you want to set up your profile, you can click on this profile icon and maybe add customary image and the rest of them, but I don't want to do that now. So now I can just click on this hamburger icon. Once I click on the hamburger icon, I will select domains because I'm here to buy a domain. Select domain. Once I select domain, the next thing I am going to say my domain. That's what I'm going for, my domain. And because I don't have any domain already, they are going to prompt me to buy a new domain. You understand? Okay, this is where it brought us. You can see it. I don't have a domain, so they are prompting me to buy a domain. So it's either I add an already existing domain here, or I register a new domain. I'm going to click on register a new domain. Right here is where it will bring you. You're going to come to this search bar and you're going to type your name, the name of the website you're building, or the address of your website. You already know what domain is all about, right? So you search for the one you are going to type it. Let me put credigitals.com. So you wait for a while, let it search. Beautiful, you can see it right here. Credigitals.com is available and it is 10,000 naira for the first year. After the first year, the renewal is what? 20,000 naira. Then credigitals.com.ng if you want to buy combination, but you don't really need that. .com.ng is 5,500 for the first year. So you remember when I was teaching you that extensions can be double when you have .com.ng or you have .com.net, .com.shop, something like that. So .com is 10,000 naira for the first year. After that, it becomes 20,000 naira. But then .com.ng is cheaper, 5,500. The .xyz is 3,318 naira. So you're looking at the .name.ng is very cheap. Like, can you see? It's just 450 naira. Then whatever you're looking out for will always determine what you will select. Whatever you're building, I already told you the use of each of them. So let me just click on this buy now on this get.com.ng. Now we've selected our domain name. The next thing is what? Our hosting. You cannot have a domain name without hosting. I taught you that. If you want to add ID protection, it's just 1,500 per year. You can decide to tick it or you leave it. And then email forwarding, that one is free for the first 1 year, so you should just get it. Name server and all of them, just come here and click on. They said you don't have any hosting, click to add. You click here to get a hosting too. So there are options for hosting. You are having options for web hosting, VPS hosting, managed hosting, workspace, single domain, SSL. So just click on this web hosting. That's what we are going for. And then you're seeing starter is 2,500 per month. Sorry about that. So starter is 2,500 per month, which means every month you are paying 2,500 for your hosting. Remember, your hosting is like a land. And for pro, why is this here? So for pro is 9,625 naira, and for unlimited is 11,250 naira monthly. Everything is monthly. You can now decide the one you want depending on the level of project you're handling. You can read the advantages they give you here so that you will know the level of project you're handling. Maybe the weight of the website will determine whether you go for starter or pro or unlimited. For now, let's go for starter. To go for starter, you just click on order now. Then it brings options like this for you. It said use a domain already in my shopping cart. Yes, just use that domain that you already selected. If you've not, you can get another distance. So use. So here now it brings you can decide to choose your billing cycle, whether you want to be paying every month or you want to be paying every quarterly, that is 4 times every 4 months. You want to be paying twice every month, twice every year, or annually, or biannually is 2 years, and triannually is 3 years. So just choose the one that you want. All right, select any of your choice. I'm going for monthly payment. You can choose your own, and you will allow your this thing to load. Once you select that, now while you're buying this hosting, you already have a free SSL certificate. But then if you want to get a premium SSL, something more advanced, you are going to tick here. It's 7,500 per year. So it's your choice. But naturally, your normal SSL certificate is enough to lock up your website, especially when you are not having any financial transaction in your website. So once you've selected that, remember web hosting, look at the hosting, and then you click on continue. Now that saying that we have selected our hosting, we have gotten a hosting plan, you can see that it's showing us that you have a hosting now. If you still want to go for this IT protection, you select it, and this, then you're going to click continue. Now you're going to pay for both the hosting and the domain name. Let's wait for it to load. So this is a review of everything that you've gotten. This is the next page. Your web hosting, you got a web hosting per month, 2,500. Domain registration, this is the domain name I selected, and then this is the price, and you can decide to empty it or shop for another domain. If you have any promo code, you put your promo code here. They will validate your code. You can look at your details. You just need to confirm everything, and then payment method. You can select this first one: Visa, Mastercard, debit, credit, so that everything just falls in place. But then if you have a PayPal account, you want to use PayPal, select the second one. I'm going for the first one. If you want to add any other information here, and another thing, if you are buying the domain for another person, that you're not the one going to be using it, you're going to come to this place. You're going to come to this place, and then you will add new contact. Who are you buying it for? So that the person can have access to this domain name and hosting. The next one, you are going to come down here, see your order summary. You click on I have read and agreed with the terms and condition. You click on checkout, and once you click on checkout, it's going to bring you where you will enter your card details and everything. You pay, and once you pay for your domain name and hosting, you are going to receive an email from them, and the email is going to contain your cPanel password, your login details, and everything. So you can see here, this is the invoice. I need to enter my card details to pay for this. So you just scroll down, and you come here, you enter your card details. You see payment method: Visa, Mastercard. So you will enter your card details. Let me look at it. So once you're here now, you're going to click this pay now, since you selected, and it is going to load up. You have a bunch of options here. You can pay with Zap, pay with card, pay with transfer, pay with bank, pay with USSD, pay with Pay Attitude, pay with OPay. So just select any of the payment this thing that is best for you here, and make your payment. They will send you an email, and then once they send you that, you are going to wait for 24 hours for your domain to propagate. It usually takes between 1 hour and 4 hours for your domain name to propagate, because if you go to the web and search for it, it will not show. So you just wait for 1 hour for the domain to propagate. So that's how to buy a domain name. Hope you enjoyed the class. In our next class, I am going to be teaching you better things. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop me a good comment, because your comment is what encourages me to keep teaching you or give up. So you have to decide. So, and if you know someone who needs this video, make sure you share the video with them. See you in our next class. Don't miss it.